good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, man, it's video number 2. We got income stream number 2. And guys, this is for my experienced marketers. Well, I ain't gonna say my experienced marketers because this is also for your potential newbie as well. But this is for people that are looking to make the large commissions. I'm gonna be honest, man. I'm one of the realest marketers that I know out that you probably gonna meet out here. Man, it's a lot of people out here that's price driven off of programs. So that's why I have low ticket and that's why I have high ticket, because I don't believe in missing out on money. Okay, that's just me personally. Nobody has to follow my lead on that, but I'm okay with that because I've learned the skill as far as making money online. I've learned how to utilize strategies and marketing methods to promote multiple programs. So a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people don't understand that. But there's a method to this, guys. And here's the thing. There's a lot of programs out here that they claim that they're going to teach you how to do things online. You know, how to do ads and how to do that. And it's just a general overall type of video. Just, oh, this is just a general video. But with this particular system that I'm using, this program here, they're showing you what works. I mean, literally the ads that are being placed for the system is the same ads training that you're getting. Anything that they're talking about in the system is gonna be directly to that. So it's pretty much copy and paste. If you can copy and paste, you can make almost $250 within 72 hours of joining this program, literally. So some people think $250 is a little high for a program, which that's why we call it medium ticket, okay? Because there's $500 programs, there's $1,000 programs, there's $3,000 programs, there's $2,000 programs on up. That's why those are considered as high ticket, okay? So this particular program is a mid-level program. It's $250. And what it is, you're gonna learn the skills of marketing. We're gonna show you how to market this program, and we're gonna show you how to use the same exact methods for whatever business that you're promoting. So if you guys seen that I have other videos, other programs, some of these methods that I'm utilizing is the same stuff, okay? So if you know about my creative restoration business, guys, I utilize the same marketing strategies to bring people into that business. I post Craigslist ads. I do text message blasts. I do Facebook videos. Facebook watch parties. I buy traffic from solo ad vendors. YouTube videos, as you can see right now. YouTube is one of the video marketing, and YouTube is one of the best methods of marketing that you can ever do. Why? Because it builds a relationship with people. Okay, most people want to know they're joining. If it was the best program since sliced bread, everybody would have been joining. People would have joined back in early last year, but people join people. Okay. There's a lot of programs that I've heard about, and I didn't join because there wasn't nobody I really wanted to join under. But then there's programs I hop right on. Why? Because of the person who introduced it to me, the person that talked about it. I have that relationship with them. So regardless if they're a top earner or if they're just barely making it, but I have a relationship with them and I'm gonna join them. Okay? That's how I roll. That's how I operate. You don't have to do it. It's just something I do. Okay, but with this program, the Fearless Momma, all right, and her fearless crew, I love that, man. One thing I like about it is that it's an even playing field with this system. You know, a lot of programs I've been involved in, a lot of people come to the table, they come with additional marketing methods and strategies and stuff like that. But one of the creators of the system, Tammy, she doesn't want any bonus trainings, anything like that. Why? Because she wants this to be an even playing field. So if Joe Schmo introduced you to this business, it don't make no difference that Dan the man over there got blah, 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 blah for it. Because at the end of the day, she's not even allowing you to use that. You know, she hears about it, she's trying to get you out the program, which I dig it. You know, you want the little people to win too. Because us big people, I ain't gonna say us big people because I'm not even that big, but I know things. You know, I know how to generate leads. I know how to offer incentives. I know Facebook ads. I know Instagram ads. I know Twitter. I know YouTube ads. So I'm not saying, hey, this is additional bonus. Now, what I will say is that if you're on my list, these are some of the trainings that you can possibly get. You know, if you reach out to me and say, hey Jay, I'm new to this business. You know, I know that you know what you're doing. You know, is there other strategies and marketing methods that you have? I have those, okay? No, I'm not offering them as an extra bonus, but I do have those. So when you decide to join me in any type of business or so like that, that's fine. You know, everyone gets those strategies. So it's not just Fearless Momma, it's not just my econ, it's not TCP, it's not Builderall. I'm naming off a lot of things here that I'm involved in, guys, or Easy One Up, because I want you to have this and I want you to win. I want you to have the same stuff that I have. So every time I look around, I'm adding training to this stuff, like the Manny Chat training, all these different things and strategies that you can utilize into this business for you to create unlimited $250 commissions. You know, I've shown you guys proof of the team. I've shown you my proof getting a commission with the system, so you guys see that it does work, okay? But I want to put this out here for people that are looking for an income stream, who don't want the tiny commissions that they say, which I like tiny commissions and I like big commissions. I just like money. I like money all the way around. So whatever, if the program has value, I'm going to promote it. If I know that I can help people and change lives with it, I'm going to promote it. So you don't see me promoting a lot of health and wellness and stuff like that, guys. I don't promote a lot of those companies because if anything happens with anybody, I don't want to be solely responsible for that stuff, because I don't even know if the stuff works. Now digital education, it's all here. You constantly learning. No, if you want to learn that, boom. You need the marketing tools, boom. That's the stuff that I'm about. I want you to have things that make your business go. Your business needs to go up here. Your business does not need to stay down here. You need the tools, okay? So that's why I say I know people are price driven. That's why I have the lower ticket programs for you to get if you want to have the marketing system that goes with it, so you're spending under $75 a month for your business, but you're able to profit $200 to $1,000. You do the math, okay? So you're in a good position. Now this program here is $250 one time. No admin fees, no additional charges, no upsells, none of that. One and done. You can get paid through your Stripe, you can get paid through your PayPal. Nothing else. No fluff, okay? We teach you the same exact things that's in that the owner of the system is using. We're going to show you Craigslist ads. We're going to show you Facebook ads. We're going to show you how to actually do these posts from your business page, okay? We're going to show you how to go out and use solo ad vendors to get traffic. So if you're out with your family, like right now, I can be shooting this video and I have a ton of traffic checking out my business because I paid someone to rent their list out to send my business to. And they're sending my business out to their list on their own. Not that I do it personally, but I'll give them my link and they'll say, okay, I'll go ahead and I'll charge you $80 to send this out to 100 people or to 200 people. And I say, cool. And then guess what? Either some of them opt into my list where I can continue to market to them, and some of them don't. So what we do, we already have vendors in place that already have people that opt in, that people that buy, people that join businesses, people that look for what you're offering. We already have that, okay? So here's the thing here. All right, sorry guys, I got the kids home here as I mentioned. It's New Year's Eve. I got the door shut. I'm trying to talk to y'all about making some paper this month, this rest of this year, 2019. We all gonna be getting some money. All right. So I have to pause the video for these kids, let them know, hey, daddy doing this thing. I got young YouTubers, man. They walk around with their own video, with their own tablets and stuff, and they want to shoot videos because they know I shoot videos, and they're gamers, so they want to record all their video gameplay and little stuff like that. So I just kind of see that it's amazing, guys, but apple don't fall far from the tree. They see daddy shoot videos and daddy makes money. You know, daddy gets to go out and buy different stuff for them. When I make money, they like my car. They like, oh, daddy has the cool car, so they don't never want to ride with their mom. Their mom has a Jeep and I have the Charger. So they're like, we want to ride in daddy's car. And my kids are they're in their own little world. I love them though. But guys, this program here it will allow you to do those things. So think about two $250 sales. That's $500, right? Would that help you if you made that a week or if you made that a day? So that's the thing about a high ticket or a mid ticket program. You don't have to go out and get 20 people in to make $500. You know, 2 people gets you $500. 3 people gets you $750. Okay, so you don't need to focus on 1 million people. Okay, so if you have a solo ad vendor and you're buying 500 clicks, right? All it takes is 3 to 4 people to sign up. 2 people, it's $500. 1 person is $250 out of 500 people. We show you how to take a $5. Show you how to take $5, right? And take that 5, put it on Craigslist, and that ad that you do, and we're gonna give you the ad to place. It's gonna generate tons of leads where you can pick up the phone and call these people. Where we're gonna give you methods and strategies where you can get phone numbers, or you can email these people into your own list, and then videos like this. Let them build a relationship with you. Let them see who you are. So that way, people know that you're a genuine person. People know that you're a real person and you're trying to help them make money. Okay? We're going to show you how to pretty much do a Facebook ad from your business page. Okay? And that's going to generate. We're going to show you how to target people. You know, how to get on Facebook and target stay-at-home moms or stay-at-home dads or people that make X amount of dollars or people that just purchased a vehicle. You know, someone that's in credit. You know, Facebook, you can narrow all this down. YouTube, you can narrow all this down. And we show you this. Most people don't know this stuff. But we're going to show you this. This is why stuff is easy for us, because we've taken the time out to learn it. And only thing you got to do is do the same thing. All right. So guys, we're going to be shooting more videos like this all 2019 where, you know, I'm not driving as much, you know, where I can really be more into this video, into personal with you guys. But 2019 is around the corner. Okay. What are you doing? Are you trying to make the $250 commissions or not? You know, we have marketing systems in place that do all the selling and telling for you. If you do not have your own marketing system and you want one, I have 2 that I'm going to recommend for you. They're going to be right at the bottom of this as well. Also, if you do not have a marketing system, then we're going to provide you one. All right. So click that link below. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day.